Hello.
Hello?
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Shall we start?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay. So last class, what we have discussed?
We just looked over the tools in Illustrator,
Okay.
the basic tools.
Okay. Hence interface we have discussed. I think.
Sorry, sir?
First class. It was your first class, isn't it?
Yeah, first class we did file, save, copy,
All right.
place, all of
Great.
that.
Then.
Yeah, in file. Then you said the basic tools which you showed, which is same available in Photoshop.
Okay. Okay. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start with the tools now. Now under this
Okay,
one
sir.
we are having first tools. That is this one we'll discuss. Then we'll go with these two
Yeah.
tools. Okay. Now this
Okay,
is
sir.
very easy application. Whenever you are comparing the Photoshop in this one. It is more
Yeah.
easy application, and you have seen the difference also. What is the difference in
Yes,
vector
sir.
and raster also? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is vector application. Photoshop is your raster application.
That's the application. Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's take the rectangle and draw the rectangle on this one. First one.
Yeah.
Second one, a rounded rectangle. Again, you can draw the rounded rectangle also. Here you get sharp
Okay.
edges. Here you get smooth edges.
Okay.
Third option, elliptical tool. Every time going and activating this one instead of this one, can you see this one line over here, vertical line?
Yeah. Yes,
Once you
sir.
click this one, it will give you a floating window of this tools.
Okay. Okay.
Means it will extract the tools from this one to outside, and these tools are still available over here also.
Okay.
Okay, so now example, I am going for a third tool now, that is elliptical tool. It will give you an oval and round shape and circle shape. Okay, and polygon shape, polygon will give you a polygon shape in this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and star shape will give you a star shape in this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more option is there, but this is used for the background purpose.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right now we have seen how to create this object directly.
Yeah.
What properties? So let me delete all. Now how to
Okay.
check the properties? Okay, now go to the tool here now. First one. After
Yeah.
selecting the tool, just click on the canvas, so you get the properties here. Means with the
So you
tool.
select the tool and then click on the canvas.
Yes, on the canvas or outside
Okay.
the canvas also you can click for activating these properties first.
Okay,
So
sir.
I am giving 4 inches by 4 inches for this one. Now you can see when it is unlocked. When it is unlocked, you
Yeah.
can give two different values over here.
Okay.
Okay, if it is locked, one you give automatically, the other will get updated automatically as per ratio.
Okay.
Once we click this one, see what we got in square box here.
Yeah.
Using this normal rectangle. You have only two
Okay.
properties. One is width and one is height.
Okay.
If I go to the rounded rectangle, if I click on the canvas, how many properties I am getting? Width, height, it is same, but we have
And corner
one more
radius.
option, that is corner radius. Now see,
Okay.
both are same, but here we don't have
Right.
any edge, but here we have smooth edge.
Yes, sir.
Coming back to the ellipse, again click on this corner. So on this one, let's define the properties. That is 2 by 2 for this one, 2 inches by 2 inches.
Okay.
Okay, again if it is linked, it will give you one value, it will change the other value also as per the ratio.
Yeah.
Now we can see the circle is created over.
Okay. So in
Similarly,
this we don't have like a fixed value like in Photoshop where we can just type in a fixed value.
here this is same one
Okay.
only, same one only.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, means nothing but we are giving a fixed value only this one.
Okay.
Now one is radius over here. Now radius in the sense I am going for a 3 inches radius on this one. Number of sides 6. You can increase and decrease by using this 2 arrow, or manually you can type the number of sides here. Right now let's take the 6 only. See.
Okay.
Okay, what value we are
Yes.
defining? This is your fixed width actually, 3 pixels.
Yeah.
Okay. So now 4 options we have created. One is rectangle, elliptical, and what's it? Rounded rectangle and polygon. Let's say example,
Polygon.
if you see
Yes,
on
sir.
2 shapes, both are same. Once you place the cursor on the circle, can you see the small circle over here?
Yes, sir.
Once you click and drag towards right side, you get a smoothness here. See.
Yeah.
And now
Yeah.
it is both becomes the same now. Now I'll make this one
Yeah. Yeah.
flat. I'll move this one towards end now. What happened? Now this becomes a
It
sharp edge,
becomes a
this one
proper
becomes a
rectangle.
smooth edge. Yes.
Yeah.
Now
Okay, sir.
either you create a first one or second one. Now both are same only.
Yeah.
There is no difference in first and second. The only initial activation is the with the rounded rectangle, we can say.
Okay, sir.
Initially you can activate round, but here later we have to activate it in second option.
Okay.
Now coming back to the elliptical tool. Right now elliptical property we have seen width and height only. Another property is there over here now, that is this one. When you place the cursor, you can give a pie shape over here.
Okay.
Pie shape. Okay. Now
Yeah.
example, if you want, you can go with this one and you can create like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Example, I am taking one more copy of this one. Again, I am placing in the same place. Now instead of this one, I am moving this one towards right side. And
Yeah.
sorry, this side I am cutting this one from this side. One second. Sorry, it has not made the copy. I'll make a copy.
Yeah.
Now make a copy of this one and then move and place it. First of all, modify the property, then modify this property and try to move it and place it exactly in center here now. And move it
Okay.
here, organize and move this one here now. See, try to move up, okay, and increase it. And we want the size has to be increased, so it will go little outer like this.
Okay.
What happened now? We got an object like this. So what I'm doing,
Yeah.
I'm moving this one little outside for a pizza advertisement.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So like this you can create a different shapes. Okay. So using these properties, existing properties, we can manage it. Okay.
Okay.
Like this you can create properties. Okay. Even if you want extension for this one, alt and drag to extend the size. Okay.
Okay. So for this, if we want to transform, like change the size, do we do Control T
No
or
need control T. Directly you can use it.
okay?
Directly when you select it, by default it is transform option only.
Okay, sir.
Directly you can use it now. Okay, now this is what elliptical tool we are having, and we have polygon
Yeah.
over here now. Again, under polygon we have taken number of sides 6. Now
Yeah.
example, I can move this smoothness here. I can apply the smoothness if I want. I can make it
Smoothness.
sharp edge here.
Okay.
Okay, so you have these properties. Now once you go to the transform panel over here, you can see number of sides. Later also we can decide how many you want it.
Okay.
Minimum is 3. Average in the sense by default is 6, but if you want to increase and decrease, that's your choice. How many you want to increase and decrease,
Yeah.
you can increase.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You can do this one.
Yeah.
Okay, that smoothness also we can maintain.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, smoothness also we can maintain from here. Now let's say example, I am applying the smoothness. See where the values are changing over here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Corner radius here. Okay, so this is what polygon option. Now coming back to the last option, that is flare tool. Control minus to zoom out. Take a rectangle tool. Draw the rectangle from this corner edge to bottom edge. Once it is done, increase the value. Now change the color of the background. Any dark color you take it.
Yeah.
Now take the flare tool. Maximum it is used for the background creation. Now what I am doing before
Yeah.
making, I am making another copy of this one and place it over here. Select
Okay.
this one. Take the flare tool. Click and drag over here. Drag over here and release and go and click in the bottom.
Okay.
We got nice shape. Now
Oh, okay.
after drawing, if you want, you can decrease the height for this one. Over here. Nice flare shape.
Oh.
You can see.
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
Now what we want now, example, I have taken this one little outside also. Now we have taken outside, but I don't want the outside portion should be visible on this one.
Yeah.
What to do? Select this object, right click, arrangement and bring it front.
Okay.
Why front? I'm changing this color now. Example, you can see blue color. If I'm moving this one, where it is coming? Behind this one.
Yeah.
Now I want it should come above this one. So arrangement and front. Now we see it is coming front of this object.
Okay.
Place exactly to the what's it, canvas size.
Yeah.
Select
Yeah.
this one and select the bottom portion flare. Now why I am
Yeah.
doing this one? I don't want the outside portion should be visible on this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
So for this one, right click and say make clip mask.
Okay.
See what happened? The outside portion is no more available.
Okay.
Okay, that is clip mask we have done. Object should be in the front and the shape should be in the background. Mean shape in the sense whatever we have created.
Okay.
Okay. Clear this one?
Yes, sir.
What is this option? Flare tool.
Flare tool.
You can see nice background we have created using
Yeah.
this. Okay. So now whenever you are
Sir, can
using
you
this
just explain me again how
mask.
you're using it with another? Yeah.
Now this is what my object I am having, which I have drawn on the
Yeah.
canvas. I have increased
Yeah.
the size. Take one more object. I am deleting this one. Generally, after creation, this one we create one more new layer. Rectangle. Draw the rectangle from
Yeah.
this corner to this corner.
Okay.
Once it is done, release. And what we need to
Okay.
do, select this object and select the background, this flare object.
Okay.
Right click on this any one option and say make clip mask.
Okay.
Once it is done, you can see outside portion is no more visible.
Okay.
Okay.
So we can use the same color as well because you used a different color in the first.
Yeah, you can use any color. That's your choice.
Okay.
Like
Okay,
green
sir.
color, brown color, but dark color will give you a better result for this one.
Better. Yeah. Yeah. Of course.
So this is clear.
Understood, sir. Yes, sir.
These are the first tools on this.
Okay.
I'm closing this. Now let's take this elliptical tool. Let's draw the shape. Now we are having selection tool and direct selection tool. Means
Direct
this
selection.
is what pick tool. We call this as pick tool or selection
Yeah.
tool we can say, and this is called direct selection tool.
Okay.
Now under this one selection tool, when you select the selection tool, you get the bounding box here.
Yeah.
Bounding box will allow you to increase the height from top and bottom, then width from the left side and right side.
Yes.
Like this we can increase and decrease the width and height for this one. Similarly, we can rotate it by placing the cursor outside the corner. Now when we place it, we can rotate this object. See? And when you see this curved arrow, you can drag to rotate it now. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
But it is rotated, but there is no use. Why? Because it is round shape only. Now when we have a flat shape like
Yeah.
this,
Yeah.
this will be an advantage for you to show as a rotation of this one. See?
Yes, sir.
Release and try to make a rotate like this. See?
Yeah.
Okay, while rotating, if you want to make a copy now, okay. So first of all, rotate it, then hold Alt button so you can get a copy on this one. Right now it is not.
Rotate and then hold alt.
Yes. Okay. Now
Okay.
hold Alt button and place the cursor. Rotate. Means it is not doing this. Now I'll make a copy and paste it over here and then rotate it. Right now it is not working in that one, so I am using this option.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me select this and place the cursor outside, Alt button and drag. Now it is not making a copy. So what we need to do, copy and paste it and then rotate it. Okay, now rotate it. Okay, so after making a copy, rotate it. So
Yeah.
easily we can rotate this object by using the transform tool. First one is what? Selection. Second one is what? Movement. And third one is what? Modification. And fourth one is what? Rotation we can say.
Rotate.
All can be done by using the selection tool.
Okay, sir.
Direct selection tool will allow you to select this point, anchor point, and you can move it first. Can you see this anchor point?
Okay, that particular point. Yeah.
Yes. The middle point is called as anchor point. This is next handle and this is previous handle.
Okay. It's the
Select
same
it.
like in Photoshop.
Same thing, same thing.
Okay, sir.
You can place and you can modify it. See?
Yeah.
Okay, now whenever you are having a handles over here, one side you manipulate automatically what happen, other side will happen effect here. See?
Yeah. Yeah.
You will automatically see the changes in this one.
Okay.
Okay, like this you can do the changes in this one. If you want you can move this position and properly place it. Okay, otherwise you can select this handles and you can modify up and down to balance this one or left side, right side also.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So this is regarding your direct selection tool.
Yeah.
Now elliptical tool again. Now first tool, second tool and third tool we have done here now in this one.
Yeah.
Next tool is what? Magic wand tool, lasso selection tool. Magic wand tool will select multiple pieces of a similar color.
Okay.
I'm doing one thing. I'm making a copy of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's almost on 6. I'm changing the color on this one.
Yeah.
A little light color. I'm selecting other one. Double click on this one. Give a little variation in this one. Variation. This is little darker
Yeah.
color.
Yeah.
Select this one. Again double click and little give a little light color on this one. Now see. Okay, now I want to select this one. So what I'm doing, I'm applying yellow color on this one. Okay, one I'm applying the outline for this one. Outline as 20. Let's go to the strokes and decide this as 20 value for the stroke.
Okay, sir.
Okay, 20 value, and I'm giving the different color for the stroke now. So go and apply this as a 1 second. Let me take the light blue color for outline. Okay, now I
Yeah.
want to select this all object which is having a similar color.
Yeah.
So what I do, I'll take this magic wand tool and just double click on this tool. You can see the value tolerance, fill tolerance 20%.
Yeah.
Close this one and click on any one object you want to select. Now, example, if I click the blue color, how many objects it should select?
The one which are in the same blue color.
Yes. So how many we are having the same blue color?
1.
Right. Now see. 1, 2 and 3. All are having same
3,
color.
yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is how it will select this one. Why it is not selecting the light blue color? Because it has so much of difference in this one.
But
For this
you
one.
even changed for the other one also, sir. The one with the black stroke line.
Yeah, it has selected.
You
all
gave
the-
it a lighter shade.
Yes.
Okay.
Example, you can see right now I applied that lighter. So means almost all same
Yeah.
shade only. See.
Okay. So it'll take the closest value.
Yes, minor
Closest
difference.
shape.
When we have a minor difference, it will select like this. But if we are having a major
Okay.
difference now,
Major.
what to do?
Okay.
Double click on the tool, fill color, you change it to 50%.
Okay.
50%. Now go and click this magic wand tool and click on this one and see what happened. This blue also got selected now.
Yeah. Yeah.
So whenever you are having similar light and dark color combination, both, you can use
Yeah.
these properties to do the selection of this one.
Okay.
Generally, when we are creating a jewelry or certain part of a jewelry is like this, then only we
Yeah.
use this option.
Okay, sir.
Clear this point?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, with the stroke level, if you want to select, you can go with the stroke color and you can select it. Now, example, right now you can see we are having this one and we are having this one now.
Yeah.
Outline with the blue color we can see. Now we are having only 1 and 2. Just see it will select this 2.
Hmm.
Both got, I mean, see, it is with the outline, outline is not having. Here we have outline. Here now you see, when I click this one, whatever
Yeah.
outline are there with the black color, it has selected.
Yeah.
all.
Yeah.
Now if I select this one,
Yes.
again it is selecting 4. Why? Because all are having the same color, no change in the color.
Yeah.
So this is how it can be useful for you. Stroke weight is there. Again, stroke weight also one of the category.
Okay.
Select the stroke weight which is having 5. It will select all now. See example. By outside and click over here and see how many objects it has selected. 3 plus 1, 4.
Yeah.
Click outside. Now click on this one. It has selected only 1 and 2 here.
Only one. Yeah.
Okay, now if I click on this background now, it will select only these 2.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
like this it will make selection by using this magic wand. Clear this one?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So let's go to the next option, that is lasso selection. Okay. Magic wand tool you have seen. Similarly, we have
Yes.
another tool which will select using lasso selection.
Okay.
Select this point, and what we need to do, simple option, just click and drag onto the object to select this one. See,
Okay.
like this, just touch is enough.
Okay, sir.
Okay, how many are coming in the touch? It will select all the portion. Now see, example, I'm clicking outside. When I draw this one, slightly I have touched the object here. Now see,
Yeah.
it has selected that object.
Yeah.
Okay, like this you can do the selection. So
Okay.
this is what lasso tool here. So how many tools you have done? 1, 2, 3, 4 and
3, 4,
5 also.
5. Yeah.
Okay, now we'll stop this one at line tool. We'll discuss the line tool and then tomorrow we'll see the pen tool.
Okay.
Okay, and again, as I said, today again I was having other class. This was the last class
Yeah,
for him. Okay,
yeah,
from
no problem, sir.
tomorrow onwards, you can join exactly at 9. We'll end the
Oh,
class around 10. We can say.
okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. Now coming back to the next point, I'm deleting this all objects.
Okay,
Take the line tool again. I'll put this outside. Now name you see line segment, arc tool, spiral tool, rectangle grid tool, and polar grid tool.
okay.
Okay. Now select this line and we can draw horizontal line, vertical line, and as well as angle line.
Angle, yeah.
Okay. All we can do. Select this one and you can increase the size and you can see here.
Okay,
Like this you can use it. Okay. Line tool will allow these properties. Similarly, the other properties are there. We'll discuss later on this one. Okay.
okay,
But these properties means for line tool, these are the main properties available for you.
okay, sir.
Yeah. Now coming back to the next one, that is arc tool. Arc tool will create an arc shape like this. See,
Yeah,
got nice arcs. Now similarly, I'll go with this option here now in this one. Little bit more extra we can see here now. See.
yeah,
So now slowly one by one you can drag and you can see someone is having an hairs over here. See.
yeah, yeah.
Nice flow we got it. Now again I'm applying the color. Black color is there. You can change it to none, and you can apply your full color from this, and you can apply the full color. See what happened? Nice shape.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay, but if you give a little light and dark shade, it will look nice also. So double click,
yeah.
little light shade, and apply. Now you can see the difference here. Same again. Sorry, 1 second. Go back. Select this object again. Double click and give it more light color also.
Okay,
Yeah. So now select this one and apply one more light color for this one. So I'll apply this color and see. Can see now?
yeah.
So again double click and apply the similar color over here.
Okay,
So now as we have done this one, now we can see we have done with the spiral tool for these all shapes. Okay.
yeah.
Now select and delete this all shapes here. Let me delete this also. Now next option is spiral tool on this one. Spiral tool will create a spiral shapes like this.
Okay,
Okay, let me draw this ellipse spiral tool now. Under this spiral tool, when you double click on this one, you get the properties for this one. Otherwise, click on the canvas, you see the option here now. Select the other
yeah.
option. Decide number of segments little less. Width and height should be
Okay,
there. Width and height should be
okay,
there, and I accept it. Now see what happened.
okay. So you have clockwise, anti-clockwise.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay. So this is how we can have the spiral tool for this one. We can enable the spiral tool.
yes, sir.
Okay. And next one, grid tool is there. Rectangle grid. You can draw the rectangle grid like this.
Okay.
But how many rows, how many columns, from where to decide this one?
So click on the canvas, you get
Not
the option.
canvas. Once you click on the
Okay,
canvas, you get this property, and we can even double click on the tool also. See, first
okay,
one you can
okay,
increase the horizontal level, but initially we have to try this one. Whenever I am going to create next object now, then only
yeah.
I can say it will be implemented for me. Now the example you can see and draw the object here. Now see.
Okay,
So this is how this object can be created on this one. Okay, that is your rectangle grid. And last option, that is
yeah.
polar grid tool, will give you
Polar
like this
grid
now.
tool.
Okay, this is what
Circle.
cylindrical divider and radial dividers are there. Radial dividers, and this
Yeah,
one, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and this is round shape again,
yeah,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 option.
yeah.
Draw the shape and see once. Let me apply the colors for this one. Right now these shapes are there, but it is not visible. I am deleting this one. Now see this one, and select the other
Yeah.
one and try to match it with the blue color. Now see, I can put it over here.
Okay.
So like this, you can create a nice shapes on this one using this one, grid tool and polar grid tool. Where the
Polar
properties
grid
are
tool.
available? Where the properties are available here? Width, height.
Okay.
Okay, number of concentric dividers. Concentric dividers in the sense there is round one, we can see.
Yeah.
and then number of royals these radial divider. This is the radial divider. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Three. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, sir.
You can see one by one. You can do this one. One second. Let me see. Once just click OK now. So for this one, you can see one more option. Same property, no change. This one. Okay. Clear
Okay.
this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So try to practice these tools. One second. 1, 2, 3,
Okay,
4.
sir.
Okay. 5. This is 5,
I,
and
yeah.
this is 6 actually. The custom normal shape you can see.
Yeah. Yeah.
These are 1, 2, 3, 3, 4,
Three.
5, and 6. And tomorrow we'll discuss
Yes.
6 to 8 tools. Why? Because we have little extra time,
Yeah.
and we can spend more time for this class.
Okay.
Okay.
So
As
tomorrow, is it possible for you in the morning or in the afternoon, sir?
morning, no, but in the afternoon I can try. Same time.
Okay, sir.
That is
Because tomorrow evening at this time, I think I won't be available.
no problem.
So
The
if in the
we can
afternoon
try.
it's fine
Yes.
for you.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir.
But around
You let
3 p.m. we can say that one. Around 3 p.m. or
Yes, sir.
1 p.m. we can say. Okay.
Yeah, no problem. That is fine for me. You let me know, sir. Whichever
I'll
is
give you the
comfortable
best.
for you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you
Right.
so much, sir.
Bye.
Bye, guys.